More stocks in the deep. We have LGO and TOPP. LGO down 51.79%, intraday low in this session 0.86 dollars. Yeah, let's see what we have. So far, 6.18 million shares have crossed the tape. The extrapolation is saying that this weakness is expected to remain in place up till Friday's up to the close of Friday's trading session. Then by Monday the 20th, it may bounce. No guarantee that that will be the case. Selling pressure is now very, very, very high. Okay, but the buying is going on. It seems the buying is seems to be going on right now. Um, yeah, the price pressure momentums they seem to be holding. They're all positive, but fractionally positive. Let's have a look at the 4 hour chart to see. It may give us a different picture. Let's see. Price pressure momentums, they're all positive, robustly positive. The moving averages are severely bearish, obviously. Let's see, buying pressure, is it increasing? We want to see if it is increasing. Yes, it is increasing on both of them. They are all both increasing. Buying pressure, deep buying is going on. Lower prices are expected to keep printing up till the midday today, no, till midday tomorrow, the 16th. Then after that, we may get a bounce from from the close of tomorrow's trading session. So yeah, the stock is down. Let's see what's going on with West. Let's see why this rock pool is in place.
LGO announced a capital raise. Here's a clear breakdown of what it means and the potential implications for investors and the stock. Here's the headline: Largo prices $17.4 million registered direct offering of 14.26 million shares at $1.22 each. Issues equal number of 5-year warrants at $1.22 in concurrent private placement. Here's a step-by-step breakdown. 1. Registered direct offering. This is a direct sale of new shares by the company to a small number of institutional investors. 14.26 million new shares are being sold. The price per share is $1.22. The total raised is $17.4 million. 14.26 million times $1.22. This dilutes existing shareholders because it increases the total number of outstanding shares. 2. Concurrent private placement of warrants. For every share purchased, investors also receive one warrant, 14.26 million warrants total. A warrant is like a long-term option. It gives the holder the right, but not the obligation, to buy a share at $1.22 in the future. These warrants have a 5-year term, meaning they can be exercised anytime over the next 5 years. If the stock trades above $1.22, investors may exercise their warrants, buying more shares at that price. This can lead to further dilution later. Implications for the stock: short term, dilution pressure, more shares, lower ownership percentage for existing shareholders. This often causes the stock price to dip in the short term. Discount pricing. The offering price, $1.22, is usually at or below the market price, which can act as a psychological ceiling near term. Liquidity boost. The company gets $17.4 million in cash, which can help fund operations, projects, or reduce debt, positive if they use it effectively. Medium to long term. Future dilution risk. If investors exercise those warrants at $1.22, it will add another 14.26 million shares down the line, which could further dilute existing shareholders. Bullish if price is greater than $1.22. If the company performs well and the stock trades significantly above $1.22, Warrant holders will likely exercise, giving the company another $17.4 million in potential cash inflow, 14.26 million times $1.22. Institutional involvement. The participation of institutions in RDOs can sometimes be viewed as a vote of confidence, though the discount is what attracts them. Key takeaway: positive. Largo gets $17.4 million in funding now, with the possibility of another $17.4 million later if warrants are exercised. Negative. Immediate and potential future dilution, possible downward pressure on share price. Neutral factor. Depends on how the company uses the funds. If they deploy it towards growth or improving margins, it could offset the dilution over time.
Okay, so this seems to be this deep, and all that the offerings, it seems to be attracting a lot of participation. You can see what's going on here. See, that's a decent amount of lot, especially on the buy side. They are surely buying the deep, surely buying the deep. Yeah, they probably want the stock to perform well so that they can exercise their shares, exercise their warrants. You know, I mean, you could say that, you can make that argument, and you probably, I don't think you'll be wrong for that. It's yeah, it's what's going on right now. It's appealing, quite appealing. Upper projections, we can take this intraday high of $2.87. Yeah, previous one was 1.92. Current price is 1.21. Yeah, if the company performs well, that would be really good. That would be a win for the investors who have participated right now. Okay, so that's what's going on. Let's see what's going on with TOPP. Okay, it looks quite active. The market is also quite liquid. Diverse range of buyers here. Yeah, the current price is 1.7, and we have yeah, quite liquid, quite a liquid market. Participation quite broad. Stock is down 15%. Let's see what we have for TOPP. Okay, let's see whether there's any news. No news. Okay, there might be something somewhere. Okay, it's expanded yesterday, spiked yesterday, and contracting. Wasn't just one yesterday and the day after, so it's contracting that expansion. Previous projections went as high as 2.52, 2.79, 2.96. Yeah, let's see what we have. Selling pressure. Okay, 10-day moving average is still trending robustly. The 21 days severely bearish. Let's see, and all the derivatives are all severely negative. They're all selling pressure is not abating at all. Yeah, selling pressure is not cooling off. It's getting worse. Yeah, they're taking profits and they're not looking back. TOPP. Let's see what we have here on the 4-hour chart. Let's see what we have. See more selling pressure playing out. Okay, let's see severely the 10-21 period moving average. They're all decelerating, indicating that the selling momentum on the first derivatives are, have plunged. Yeah, they've lost the momentums. Yeah, okay. Previous projections, in addition to the ones we mentioned, we have 2.07, 2.2, 2.27. I think those are the ones we mentioned as well. Yeah, so have a look and see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.